Well, I hope you will enjoy the book. I hope you get a lot of insight. Now remember, this book is written for everybody, so it's not going to have anything specific to your situation. Now what we have done is we have created a program that is specific to your situation, and it's something that we call the Total Tax Diagnosis Program. And what we do is we basically figure out everything the IRS is saying about you and give you an action plan if anything needs to be done. We came up with this program because we were tired of turning away people that needed help. You know, people would call us, people would come into our office saying there's something going on, and they wouldn't know the whole story, or maybe they would tell us a part of the story. The problem is that oftentimes we ended up overquoting a problem and the people wouldn't hire us, or sometimes we'd end up underquoting the problem and that would be a problem for us. So really what we found in many cases is that we wanted to do an entire diagnosis, an investigation into a business or an individual's affairs. Many times clients would pay us in advance for that. And before we developed all of this software and using the technology, it would something that we would usually charge around $2,500 for. Well, even that fee alone would turn a lot of people off because it would be a lot of time. So this was something that my entire resolution team came up with. And it really gives you some great information that you need at a price that's much better. The Total Tax Diagnosis is a great way to trust but verify. Now there's some other great things that you're going to get. If there are any unfiled returns, you'll find out. If the IRS owes you money, you'll find out when you can file a claim for refund and when it will be too late. You know, if you're a day too late claiming the refund, the IRS gets to keep all that money and there's not a thing you can do to get it. And you know, if you have tax debts, the IRS actually has a limited amount of time to collect on it. And this report will tell you how much time is left. You know, that was something that the whole tax resolution industry doesn't tell people, because sometimes the best solution is to zip your lip and lay low and let the debt expire. This report will also tell you if there is any collection activity against you. And you know, one of those things that's going on now is a lot of IRS scammers are calling. People are calling people saying, hey, you owe us money. Well, look, the Total Tax Diagnosis is going to tell you exactly what you owe, if anything. The Total Tax Diagnosis will let you know how much of a risk you are for an audit. And it'll also show you, if you have been late with payments, how you can apply for first-time penalty abatement, the amount you could save in the exact way to go about getting it. No matter where you are, if you're an individual or if you're a business, this is a great program for you that could really help you get to the bottom and, you know, really get some knowledge about your specific case. Whether this is something you're going to handle yourself, your own tax professional, or maybe even hire us for, you're always going to be in a better position if you have the power of knowledge. So purchase your Total Tax Diagnosis right now. It's money back guaranteed. You're going to get your personalized, specific total tax diagnosis of everything that's going on with your IRS case. And you'll also get a step-by-step guide to explain what it all means to you so that you can take action.